We do have first alert weather days here today and tomorrow here in the Red River Valley, so let's get you what you need to know. For this weekend storm, it is going to be that wet, heavy snowfall, and we can see rates of 1 inch per hour possible in some areas. Now, this is going to be blizzard. We have had a National Weather Service issued blizzard warning for most of the tri-state area, and that is going to cause some blowing and drifting snow. It will cause some flight and travel impacts as you are heading home for spring break with that closing and delays. Now, for the snowfall total, just north of Highway 2, we can see that chance of 9 to 14 inches just in Walsh County. Now, as you head along Highway 2 and even just south of that, you can see this other purple, and that is going to be where you can see that 7 to 11 inch. This is going to be in Grand Forks and part of Trail County, and then especially just over near the Devil's Lake Basin with Ramsey, Eddy, and Foster County. Now along I-94 you can see that 5 to 8 inches snowfall rate, and in the southern part of the valley you can see just near Siston 2 to 5 inches of snow. So let's get you what you need to know for your hour by hour. Now, this snowfall and this radar does slightly make it a little volumized for currently, but that snow is taking over the Red River Valley right now, and that will continue as we head throughout the rest of your morning hours. That does push off into Minnesota, so the southwestern part near Ellendale, you will have a break from the snow this afternoon around lunchtime. Now, that continues to push off, but what you notice is that the southern part of the valley gets a break, but the northern part is still going to receive that snowfall, which is why they're in the chance of that greater risk of that higher snowfall. Now, this is of Saturday this evening. You can see that the southern valley does have a break, but those winds are continuing to pick up in the northern valley where they do have that snowfall, and that snowfall is going to continue to stay in that northern valley just along I-29, especially up near Grand Forks and Park River near Halleck. That is going to have some greater chance of snowfall, but by tomorrow morning, you can see that that snow is mostly into central Minnesota. We do still have a little bit just in the central part of the Red River Valley, but by lunchtime tomorrow, we will just have those breezy north winds continuing to gust where we can see almost 50 miles per hour. But overall, those temperatures will stay nice and cooler in those teens and 20s. Now, after that, looking at your 7-day forecast, we do have the daylight savings tomorrow with the first alert weather days. But overall, those temperatures will continue to rebound into those 30s and 20s as we head into next week.